Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I rearranged my office, cleaned it a little bit, and I'm going to give you a little tour, so stay tuned. So before I show you guys a little bit of the moving around and a little bit of the cleaning, I thought that I would show you an idea that I just had, and I want your opinion on the idea. So for Amazon Prime Days, I ordered these picture frames, and I ordered them for another room, but I've decided to put them in here. And I want to take, I was gonna put family photos in them, but I have decided that I want to take, if you know me, you know that I love Lily Pulitzer, and I had an older Lily Pulitzer calendar, and so I pulled a lot of the prints out. So what I want to do is I want to take this frame and I want to frame some of my Lily Pulitzer prints, and I think I have 5 frames all together. So I cannot decide, so I want your opinion, because I haven't done this yet. So do you think I should do just like, okay, here we go. Do you think that I should do just a background like this with just the Lily Pulitzer pattern, or do you think I should use some that have a saying, like this one says, it's a celebration? And I have lots to choose from, like life is for zest, but then I have the one that just has the lemons. So I want your opinion before I actually frame all of these and take these apart, and I have a great place on the wall that I'm going to put them. So I would love to hear from you. So now I'm going to, and I am so sorry, but Lily is squeaking a toy. So if you can hear a squeaking in the background, it's Lily playing with one of her toys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the moving around of the office. It's kind of hard to capture that on film. Then I'm going to show you cleaning up, and then I'm going to give you an office tour. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jen. I am a former teacher turned homemaker, which I like to call domestic diva just to make it sound a little fancier. I love to teach you guys how I do things. I would love to have you as part of my growing YouTube family, so please consider hitting that subscribe button and also click on that bell so that you receive a notification each and every time I post. I am also a heart failure survivor and a heart warrior, and I continue to fight and battle so that I can be a better person every day.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
a time 3 years ago that a part of my morning routine was to get up and put water and essential oils in all of my diffusers. I have one in every single room, and I debated and I decided to get rid of this one first because I honestly never use them anymore. So I'm getting rid of this one, and I'm going to see if I miss it, and if I do not miss it, I think I'm going to part with the other ones because there's something that are easily replaceable. So if you still use your diffuser, let me know. I love the way they smell. I just got out of the habit of using them, and I just don't use them anymore.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures.
So for this corner, I put a floor lamp, which can be used as a reading lamp, and I have just a nice comfy chair in here, and this will just be a good place to sit and read or maybe edit videos, and the dogs enjoy sitting here as well. Against this wall, I have one of my favorite pictures, and then I have just some decorations. I have a tiered tray, and I'm going to put some office supplies in the tier tray. I have not finished with that yet, but I have like some sticky notes, and I'll probably put just some other little, maybe tape, just some other little office supplies in there. And this is our old TV stand, and I thought I could utilize it in here. Right here I have stuff that's easy to access in the mornings, and I also have a bag that has some pins in it. I have like my planner and my to-do list and that kind of thing right there. I have some decorations and pictures in here, and then I have a painting set here for whenever I want to paint. In this corner, I have my filing cabinet. Right now there is a golfer above the filing cabinet, but this is actually where I'm going to put my lily prints that I was showing you guys earlier. I have my Live, Laugh, Love book stack, and just some other little decorations and a lamp here. So I have my file system, and I have all my files color coordinated. So certain items are in green, certain items are in red, orange, etc. I keep extra filming supplies, cards, things like that in here. In this little box, I keep a variety of office supplies. I keep things like paper clips, pens, things like that. Just extra supplies. And then it just sits right here. In the bottom, I have a variety of notebooks. I need to go through these notebooks and planners, and I will probably do that on a Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I have this little thing right here that has some planning things, and then I have this that has my Bible and pens and devotionals and that kind of thing. Okay, so at my desk I have these little containers, and in this one I have a pair of glasses, and then I have some sticky notes and little notebooks. On top of it, I have more glasses, and then I have some pens. Obviously, I cannot see without my glasses. Then I have a coaster for when I have a drink in here, and I have this with some pens in it. And then I just have a flower arrangement, another picture, and a Live, Laugh, Love candle. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and please join my growing YouTube family. Also, remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.